Check them out on Indiegogo.
Let's go back in the pool.
SOFF. All right.
Hi everyone, today IdeaPod is introducing the luxuriously soft SOFF Towel. Compared to other towels, the SOFF Towel dries much faster after you use it. A slow-drying towel provides the perfect environment for growing bacteria, but bacteria can't live in the SOFF Towel's high-density microfiber material. SOFF Towel dries super fast, and that prevents and eliminates odor. No more stinky smells that can be harmful to you and your family.
Did you like it? Did you like the towel? You like the towel too? Is it delicious? Is your water good? Yeah? It's good. Here, you wanna dry your hair off with it? Okay. Okay. All right.
SOFF Towel will definitely absorb the best of any towels you use. When you use a regular towel, you need to rub your hair to absorb water, but rubbing your hair causes it serious damage, and that becomes another stress in your life. But with SOFF Towel, just gently press and squeeze. It will significantly reduce the time to dry your hair. Don't irritate or damage your hair and skin anymore. Just slightly tap a couple of times after you shower. That's it. SOFF Towel is so compact you can carry it anywhere. Don't want to carry a dirty towel? Don't worry. You can clean even sand off of it by simply shaking it off just once, even at the beach. Our high-quality microfibers cost more to make than materials in other towels, but because we have our own headquarters and factory, we can make our luxurious SOFF Towels at a reasonable price. Of course, it's easy to clean. Just toss it right into your washer, and it will still feel just like a new one, even after years of use. SOFF Towel will change every small thing in your day. No more stress from every little thing in your life. Choosing your lifestyle wisely makes this an evolution.
All right.
Let's go back in the pool.
And now we're gonna go back in the pool and then get dry again.